Imagine being a zookeeper and discovering that monkeys just caused a medical emergency for a Komodo dragon. At the Singapore Zoo, something bizarre happened. Macaque monkeys found a bag of plush toys and began tossing them into the Komodo dragon enclosure below. The dragon inside, named Mario, thought the toys were prey and swallowed several of them. Veterinarians had to monitor him for a fatal intestinal blockage, as stuffed toys aren't exactly a natural diet. Luckily, Mario eventually passed the toys safely. But the monkeys? They kept coming back, almost like they had discovered their new favorite game. It just goes to show, you never know what kind of trouble a group of bored monkeys can cause. Like and subscribe for more bizarre animal stories.